Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you the 2016 Hyundai Elantra that is throwing a code for a bad map sensor. I have my doubts on whether or not this sensor is actually bad. I've also recently experienced some surging on the car, so I'm going to make the first logical thing in order to see what could be causing this, and that's going to be the air filter actually. Something actually that simple. The map sensor is located right down here under this portion of vacuum line there, so you actually have to unplug this connector right here and then get a 10mm wrench down on that nut right there. It's not that big of a deal. It could potentially be dirty, but let's check this first. So we're going to open up the air box. Doesn't look too bad yet. Let's look at the underside. And what do you know, that's a pretty terrible looking air filter. Much worse than I expected. Let's look at that in the air box. We're definitely going to want to take a shop vac and clean that out. Really not too sure how we got that kind of junk in there. I mean, that's very bad actually. I'm curious where this car actually pulls from, but this is terrible. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace that. And I have a good feeling this may solve my map sensor issue, and this may also solve the surging that I've been getting randomly when we stop the car, whether it be in park, neutral, or drive. So first things first, guys, if your car is throwing a code for a bad map sensor, let's go ahead and check that air box, pull out the air filter, and probably give it a change, and that might just solve your problem. A lot of these electrical sensors don't generally go bad, and when they do go bad, they go completely bad. They don't go in and out. If they go in and out, that's generally a sign of a connector issue. But we're going to change this out, and we'll let you know if it works. Please comment, like, subscribe, and check back for more. Thanks.